All right, guys, so welcome back to the compound interest formula. And so all today is we're going to take the steps that we learned yesterday and really everything that we learned yesterday with the compound interest formula and learning to identify each variable, which is A, P, R, N, and T, plugging them into the formula like we did here. And yesterday, that's where we stopped. Today, all we're going to do is take it a step farther and just solve for it. So if you were to look at this right side, you have 600 and you got the parentheses and then you got the exponent. And so you're probably like, holy crap, that's a lot to do. However, I'm going to make it very easy for you. And we're going to do that by using our Desmos scientific calculator. So hopefully you guys clicked on that in the link on the link on the form. If not, please pause this, go back to Google Classroom and click on that link above that's in the directions. But if not, you're going to have a screen open like this. And so all you're going to do is you're going to punch that exact formula. So if we go back here, so we have 600. So you're going to type in 600. And then hold on one second, and I'll get my mouse here so you can see. So it's going to be 600 times, or parentheses, 1 plus, and then you can create a fraction with that button right there. And then you had 0.03 over 1. Oh no, what just happened? Go back. So we got 0.03 over 1. Then we go to the outside and we're going to raise it to a power. So you'll click this one right here, which raises it. And you raising it to 1 parentheses 6. So you're going to go 1. Well, why does it keep going out? 1 parentheses 6, and then it automatically has your answer over there to the right there where it says your answers show up on this side. So hopefully you guys can see that. So therefore, our answer is going to be 716.4313779. But you guys got to remember that we are dealing with money. And so when you're talking about money, we're talking about the hundredths place when it comes to decimals. And the easiest way I like to remember hundredths place and how many decimal places that is just ask myself how many zeros are in 100, and there are 2. So therefore, we're going to round this off to 2 decimal places, just like you would if you were dealing with cents. So we have 4.3, then we look at the 1, and it is less than 5. So if it's 4 or less, we're going to let it rest. So our answer is going to be $716.43. So our A, or total amount, is going to be 716 and 716 and 43 cents. And so that's how much money you will have in your account after 6 years. So now, example 2. So if you guys want to pause, go ahead and type this one into your calculator to see the answer that you get before I do. So we're just going to take what we have on the left here and plug it into our calculator and get our new number. So go back to the Desmos Scientific. So you have, erase all that. You have 1,000 this time, parentheses, 1 plus 0.05. Oh, if I can click back. So 1 plus 0.05 over, you can use this down here. Sorry, I was typing my keyboard there. Over 2. Over 2. Go outside the parentheses, and we are going to raise it to 2 parentheses 1. And so when you do that, you then get 1,050.625. So once again, we're dealing with money, so we got to round to the hundredths place. So 0.62. We look at the number to the right. This time it's a 5, so 5 or more raise the score. So we have 1,050.63 cents. So then we'll just go back to our screen here. And so our new total amount is going to be 1,050.63 cents. So that's going to be the new total after 1 year in that account at that certain percentage compounded semi-annually. So hopefully you guys got that if you went ahead and worked it. But that is what you are doing today. The first 2 examples on your Google form are actually what we did yesterday. So you'll just be finding this form, but then after that, you got to take it the step farther that we just introduced today, and that is simply just plugging it into the scientific calculator. So please let me know if you guys have any issues with that or if there are any questions. Please remember on your homework tonight, if I had to go ahead and guess where people are going to make the biggest mistake, and that is going to be with the rate. But just remember that you have to change the percent to a decimal. In order to do that, you take your percent and you divide it by or put it over 100, and it's going to spit out a decimal, and that decimal is what you actually use inside your formula. So please, guys, take your time. Please, if you have any questions, also just reach out to me by email or add a private comment on the Google Classroom, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week.